Tribal Welfare Minister Bikash Debbarma visited the newly constructed girls' hostel of Women's College on Wednesday. Speaking to the reporters, the minister said that initiative will be taken to accommodate the students in the new girls' hostel as soon as possible. There is only one women college in the state in Agartala. Students from far across the state study in this college. Many poor Tripura students from far and wide could not afford to live in a rental house, which is why they have to stay in girls' hostel. However, there is no proper sanitation and facilities provided in the girls' hostel. Therefore, the state government had taken initiative and built new hostel for the girl students of women college. There are a total of 100 seats in the new hostel, but the students were not yet accommodated to the new hostel even though the hostel was already inaugurated, which is why the Tribal Welfare Minister Bikash Debbarma visited the newly constructed girls' hostel of Women's College on Wednesday. Speaking to the reporters, the minister said that the initiative will be taken to accommodate the students in the new girls' hostel as soon as possible. The minister assured the work will be completed within 10 days and the student will be shifted from old to new hostel.
Ora Chini cara roko jatong nai, karon Chini cara besar gori besar onek haksal ni. Zaman yang on Mono, Samono, yang Kanchanpur, yang on Dosda, yang on Bilunia, Sabrum ni borok cara jara BPL, APM jara BPL on to doni cara kena dok, u college poriu. Hei kaisa borok nok bara tong mani 10,000, 15,000, 8,000, 9,000 ko tong. Korin besar bahagi pori nai ba. Komse kom u jaga tei 70 jana moton cara rok dai manu. Amani bagino, ang joto engineer ang tubuy. Ang 10 din bisingo mono complete khaye chararok no handover ma khainai ne ang ani engineer ang tumani 10 din bisingna mono handover morok ma khainai te 10 din bisingna o chararok mo jama tana
sa problem tam tongmani
problem ga ekmatro কোনো problem ya o jaga staff যেমন cook jara mami songnai te o jaga nainai khinai borongni problem tongmani ngai sing tabuk ang o jaga main power outsourcing bisingti khayoi borok no tabuk cook rinai te o jaga jara pharnai simnai borok no rinai ngai bed sheet jotono rinai mattress rinai jotono rinai boskango kono problem lak ang mo naikha boskango jotono solution ngai te 10 din bisingo no addition engineer ko tongo mo actually mo sing tribal welfare rang addition rang rohore kharimani ngai addition engineer tongo te ani department engineer tongo te o jaga college ni principal tongo super tongo jotono ti na lekha 10 din bisingo chung hanover khainai chini cherago jotongo
sir galo student dog ni bagi berai khen সমস্যা tongmani piaba ek bosor urbudon ulobo inya ga kai bor taw bom hege tonglai jak khana nai
belai kosto khain tongna ang nong thasingon saka je maximum chin borok to krino jara ei mono samono yang kanchanpur yang dosda ananda bazar bigra bosarok jara BPL besirba khangai BPL ontodoi nimbasarok no ujaga ei mo college ang didi moni thani khraka 100 jonar moton application dijak tongo hostel ni bagai ngai sing mono dotino 10 din ni bisingo ang jotto kichu thikra khainai 10 din ni bisingo chini charai khanai ujaga ei shifting khainai 10 din bisingo chini charai khanai mannai tongthai
satai khaksa unu kharo ka dental college and IGM hospital or ka ST rong bagi simia da otho tribal ke ne rangmai thon jago
oro actually borno permanent rimaya temporary bongno rima seo jaga hardly 1-2 bosor borok ja tongnai oro chini charai rong tongnai dental jara porinai borno tongnai haiporo borok permanent ya 2 বছর 1-2 বছর ni bisingo borok ja tongmani borok permanent construction sram tongo dental college ni bagai nga jokhon painai borok uron shifting khai so cham building oro chini charai rong tongo nga borok tongmani nai phika borok khub kosto tongo moni pore phuna ang tabu engineer ma saka borni je nangmani repairing khane nangmani light rok fan rok toilet rok tui rok boroni kok joton saika ukha khanani bisingono chini engineer phainai engineer phain dotino estimate phainai estimate khama pore sanction khai dotino kam khaisina
sir hostel to samo gana kini ro asu bolong to ka munang sunamungi to ka environment ka hamungi
moni bagino ang thasingo norok nukhna norok nijibo nukhna je মোদিজিনি স্লোগান দাম্বা স্বচ্ছতাই সেবা মানে গাই আং ফাইনো ফাইগা বরংনি একদম বলং মুই তংখা একদম মানে জাবরা আছে তংখা জানলা রগ আং আবাইনো জানি যে হোস্টেল সোপানো আং পদিখা আং সাকাবনো মনো দতিন পরিষ্কার খাইনি বখরান বিজং খাইনি নাই বেলা হাম
sir of the nang visit khaimani yagulu si oma khai na asu bosok geduk ma tam bagau mai ka tongkha phungjai do bro
borok to mo to tam hone mo phungjang mane phunggan ko gya mo পরিচয় নিজেনি যে আঙ্ক মানে মন নিজেনি পরিচয় মানো বরক নরক নুখনা নরক থাঙ্গি নুখা বলংজাক হাইফনো আং বর্ণ সাকা বরক দতিন খাইনাই তাই খাইনানি সালো বরক নাং তেব फोरोंनाय তেব সানাय মুতি খাইতে বরক চেরারং फोरोंना नांनाय স্বচ্ছতাই সেবা মোদিজি তাবক নং নরক নুখনা যত ভারতবর্ষनि প্রধানমন্ত্রী জারু রমই মান খঙ্গা जोंहाय साधारण बरक जारो रमनान कोनो बेपायदा आबानो बागायनो बरक नबा आं साका नरक परिष्कार परिष्कार मातन बेला हम
Reported by Salsang from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.